I don't think people understand how easy it is to make money online with AI. Today, we're talking about making money online because who doesn't want more of that, right? And not just any old way. We're talking about the laziest ways to make money online using the power of AI. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the easiest ways to start making money online. Stick around until the end for a special surprise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's kick things off with one of my favorite ways to make passive income online, using AI to create and sell content. I'm talking about Suno AI. Suno AI is like having your own personal music producer in the cloud. You just tell it what kind of music you want, and boom, it creates it for you in seconds. You can upload your AI-generated tracks to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube Music, and start earning royalties every time someone listens to your tunes. You can also sell your AI music as stock music on websites like Audio Jungle or Pond5. And if you really want to level up your earnings, you can offer custom AI music services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Use your AI-generated music in your own YouTube videos or social media content and monetize those platforms through ads, sponsorships, or even selling merchandise. Links are in the description if interested. They have a super user-friendly interface, and you'll be whipping up catchy tunes in no time. Once you're happy with your track, just download it and start monetizing it using any of the methods I just mentioned. Create a dedicated YouTube channel or social media account specifically for your AI-generated music. This will give you a central hub to promote your tracks, build a following, and attract even more listeners and potential customers. All right, for this next method, we're going to dive into the exciting world of e-commerce. The secret weapon in our e-commerce arsenal is Shopify. Shopify makes it insanely easy to set up shop and start selling products online, even if you have zero coding or web development experience. But Shopify isn't just for selling physical products. You can also use it to sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and even AI-generated content. That's right, you can take those awesome AI-generated music tracks we talked about earlier and sell them directly to your fans through your very own Shopify store. Shopify is incredibly user-friendly. I'm talking drag and drop easy. Shopify has tons of customizable templates to choose from, or you can even create your own unique design. Shopify is packed with AI-powered tools that help automate all the boring stuff. We're talking about AI-powered product recommendations, automated email marketing campaigns, and even AI-powered chatbots that can answer customer questions 24/7. Shopify has a massive app store where you can find all sorts of cool plugins and integrations to supercharge your store. Right now, Shopify is offering an incredible deal where you can get 3 months of Shopify for just $1 per month. Just head up to their website. The links are in the description if interested. Once you're in, you can start customizing your store, adding products, and setting up your payment gateway. Speaking of products, here are a few ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Remember that AI-generated music we talked about earlier? You can sell that directly through your Shopify store. You can also sell other types of AI-generated content like art, designs, or even written content. If you're feeling extra ambitious, you can even start your own print-on-demand business with Shopify. Print-on-demand allows you to sell custom-designed products, like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, without having to hold any inventory. So to recap, Shopify is an awesome platform for building an online store and making money online, even if you're a complete beginner. Chapter 3: AI-powered side hustles. We've covered making money with AI through music, and even building a whole online store. Now let's explore some incredible AI-powered side hustles that can bring in some serious cash without requiring you to quit your day job. First up, we have LM Notebook. This tool empowers you to create stunning digital planners, journals, and ebooks using the magic of AI. Once you've crafted your digital masterpieces, you can sell them on popular platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even Amazon KDP. The beauty of selling digital products is that once they're uploaded, they can generate sales on autopilot. It's the epitome of passive income. Create once, sell forever. How can you maximize your earnings with LM Notebook? It's all about tapping into what people are searching for. Head over to Etsy or Amazon and do some keyword research. What are the most popular types of planners, journals, or workbooks? What are people searching for? Once you have a good understanding of the demand, you can use LM Notebook to create products that are tailored to those specific niches. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different niches and product ideas. You can create planners for students, professionals, moms, fitness enthusiasts. The possibilities are endless. Offer bundles or packages to increase your average order value. So there you have it. LM Notebook is an incredible tool for anyone looking to launch a fun, creative, and profitable side hustle. And there you have it. 3 incredible ways to use the power of AI to make money online without breaking a sweat. From generating catchy tunes with Suno AI, to building your own e-commerce empire with Shopify, to unleashing your inner creative entrepreneur with LM Notebook, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? It's time to put on your lazy pants, fire up your laptop, and start exploring these awesome AI-powered money-making methods. Which one are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for special deals on Shopify, because who doesn't love a good discount? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about AI, making money online, or just generally awesome stuff, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.